My friends. All right, so this week for our new make and take, I am so excited because I like making silly cards. You guys probably already know this about me, but this one is extra silly. We'll see if you can figure out what the pun is. All right, so I made this card. Yes, that is corn. And it's because I made a corny card. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. On the inside, it says, I made you this corny card because you make me smile from ear to ear. Isn't that so cute? And on the back side, it says, I hope to hear from you soon. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So let's go ahead and figure out how to make this card. Let's walk through. Okay, so here is our little kit for the corny card. It's extremely silly. Here I have all of these little circle punch pieces, which are going to be, of course, the kernels for your corn. So we have all of these little things here. Let me just pull all this stuff out. Let's put this together. All right. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do here is we have this little yellow piece right here, this yellow piece of paper. What we're going to do here is we're actually going to take a pair of scissors and we're actually going to cut this out. And that is because we want to decorate and make the kernels of the corn. We need to put it on something. When I first designed this card, I actually had planned to put it on a white background, but I realized that if you don't match up every kernel like right next to each other, that it actually looks a little funky, and so I decided to do it this way. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to actually put this over so there's not pencil marks showing here, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to put like a little line of glue around the outside. There we go. Like this, and you don't need a whole lot, but kind of along that edge there, and then that way we can grab our little kernels and just start sticking them on. And if you're following this along with me, I don't want you to make a pattern where it's, you know, one yellow and then one dark yellow and then one light yellow and then one dark yellow. I want you to just lay them down in whatever order makes you happy, or that is kind of random. And also the other thing, as I'm doing this, I don't want them to overlap too much, because if they do, then we won't really have enough kernels to kind of fill up this whole little corn on the cob situation here, okay? So we're just gonna kind of line this up. I'm kind of covering that edge, that harsh edge right there. I'm kind of covering that up. All right, I'm gonna stick those all down. And I'm really not gonna focus too much on like the very bottom down here. And now I'm just gonna kind of randomly put like some dots kind of all along here. All right, now if there's a little bit of the space showing, just like I was talking about, it's okay, like a little bit of the light yellow showing in the background, because it's all gonna look like corn, and we all know that corn does not all look exactly the same. I mean, I guess if you found like a really amazing super fresh corn, or maybe you found GMO corn, who knows, they might look exactly the same, but oftentimes corn is like a tone on tone, a little bit of some lighter colors, a little bit of some darker colors, all kind of mixed in. Or it's not that because you haven't cooked it all the way. I'm just kidding. I'm sure most corn looks very similar. All right, so I'm gonna kind of fill this up. Again, it's not perfect, but it shouldn't be totally perfect. Corn should be at least a little bit random. I can't believe I have kernels left over. When I made the sample card, I did not have kernels left over. I must have been putting them a little bit closer together, I think. All right, oh, we got one left. Here we go. Nice. All right, so that is the part that is probably the most tedious, and that is the laying down the kernels of the corn part. All right, I'm gonna press that down. Okay, so there we are with that guy. All right, so that is gonna be the corn on the cob part. We'll set that to the side. All right, so next here we have this little guy. So we have this kind of shimmery green paper. It is amazing. And then we also have this kind of lightweight light color that's also text weight. There are two different leaves that are traced on here. We're going to line both of these up so that we're holding them at the same time, and we're going to use our scissors here so that as we cut these things out, this is actually going to be the husk. I said leaves, but it's actually the husk of the corn. But as I'm cutting these out, I'm actually cutting out 2 layers at the same time, right? So then that way we end up with 4 pieces that are going to be the husk of our corn. All right, so we have those 2, yes. All right, and this is gonna be the last guy here. We'll get that cut out. Boop, 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 boop. Oh yes, my sound effects. I'm definitely someone that likes to make sound effects. I don't know if you guys know that about me already. I realize I've done a lot of videos on YouTube at this point, and so it's so funny because I don't usually show my face very much on the videos, but I started to recently because I learned that I've just been learning so much about social media now that Caitlin's been helping us out here at the shop, and she's been teaching me so much. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our little corn piece here, and we're gonna pull out the base of our card. Okay, so this is going to be our card base itself, and we are going to take, wow, gosh, I'm sorry I keep bumping my camera today. We're going to actually take this piece right here. This is going to be the piece that's going to go on the front. We're going to glue this down. I'm going to just use some white glue, and I don't need very much. I'm just going to do a dot in each of the 4 corners there. That's just enough to stick it in place. You can use double-sided tape if you want, but I'm going to use glue. We don't want to use too much glue because you don't want the warping to happen on our paper. All right, once we have that down, we are going to glue on the corn on the cob part, the corn part. So I'm going to flip this over to the back side. And again, I'm just going to kind of do like a small little line of glue around the outside there. And then we're going to stick that on. And you see how it's kind of up towards the corner a little bit? We want that. We want it to kind of be at an angle like this. That's what we're kind of aiming for. Okay, so now it's time to kind of put our husk on our corn. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm obviously having a lot of fun here. So this right here is kind of like the stem of the corn. Like when you're eating corn on the cob, this is where you would hold it. So we want these to definitely be at the bottom in the middle. And then around the outside, I'm gonna see how I did the lighter green back here and the darker green in front. I'm actually gonna do the opposite on the other side. I'm gonna lay this guy down, and that's going to be the lighter green or the shimmer green in the background, and then this green is going to actually go on top. And I see how I matched these up so that they're going in it's the same shape, but they're just kind of offset just a little bit. So this is kind of what we're aiming for, but of course we want to keep it all on the card. All right, so once we're going with that, we're going to glue it all down. All right, so I'm going to get those things out of the way so I can add some glue here. Okay, so I just put a little bit of glue on the back side of that guy, and we're going to stick that guy down first. I'm going to kind of aim towards the corner here, and again, making sure that this is not going to be too far off the edge of our paper there. Okay, all right, and now I'm going to do one more, again, making sure I put glue on the right side. And I don't have a ton of glue, but at least enough to stick it in place, and then I'm going to offset that just a little bit, and it's going to kind of be a little bit closer to the corn cob. Okay, so then on the other side, I'm going to do the exact same thing. All right, so I'm going to put down that darker green shimmer first. So I'm going to put some glue on the back side of that guy, and then we're going to stick that down. And at this point, I want to make sure that you can't really see that harsh straight line of the corn cob underneath this. We want to make sure that's kind of covering that up. And now for my last one, again, put on a little bit of glue there, and we'll stick that guy on, and we'll kind of tuck that around that edge there. Again, making sure that nothing is hanging off of the edge of our card. Okay, so now I'm going to take my yellow twine here, and I'm going to tie it into a little bow. Bow tying time. All right, excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, so now that I've tied that kind of nice and tight, beautiful. All right, now I'm going to do a little tiny dot of glue down here, kind of in the cornery kind of area. I'm just going to stick my little bow on, and that's going to just make it look a little bit more complete. And then I'm going to take my scissors here, and I'm going to trim. So then that way, my bow is nice and small. All right, there we have that. Okay. All right, now the last thing we're going to do is actually, not the last thing. I'm actually going to use my black micron pen here. I'm using a size number 10, but you can use whatever black pen you want. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to draw some lines to make it look like a little corn husk. So I'm kind of following the movement along the edge of that green paper there to make it look a little bit more like a husk. And then just because I like to add a little bit of texture, I'm doing these little dot groupings, which is a big dot and a little dot, kind of periodically, just to kind of make it look a little bit more interesting. Now, my friend Jordy was like, oh, wouldn't it be so cute if you drew little smiley faces, and maybe not like all over, but maybe you had one smiling and another one smiling back at it. Oh my gosh, how cute would that be? Cute little happy kernels. Oh my gosh, adorable. Okay, so for the inside of the card, we are actually going to use some of these leftover pieces that we cut out. So remember these little scraps, this green scrap here and this yellow scrap here. Hopefully you didn't throw those away, because we're actually going to be making mini corn for the inside. I know, so silly. Everything I do is very silly. So what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of create this kind of like little corn kind of a shape here. And that we're going to make like kind of 2 of those to make them look like little miniature corns. I know, it just seems like so ridiculous. I don't have a guide for this part, so if you don't want to do this part, it's okay. I just thought it would be kind of fun, and again, a little silly, to make like a little miniature corn for the inside. To make like the little husk, I just am kind of cutting like, I'm going to call them some swoops, which of course makes like no sense, but something that's kind of like leaf shape maybe a little bit, and this is kind of what we're kind of aiming for. And I'm going to do that in kind of a few different sizes, but I want it to be kind of curved just slightly, so then that way the little husk, we can kind of wrap it around our little pieces of corn. Oh my gosh, so silly and so goofy. All right, I'm going to grab one more here. Okay, here. All right, I'm going to show you how to put all of that together, because I know at the moment it seems like totally goofy. Okay, so what we're going to do here, oh, I cut this out of the wrong color. Oh no. Well, we're going to cut this out of the darker green instead. This is actually what I meant to do, was cut this out of the darker green, not the lighter green. We're going to cut our swoops one more time, friends. Just roll with it here. You get to watch me be just creative, but also sometimes mess up things, because, you know, that's sometimes how it is when you're being creative, is that you have one plan, it goes in a different direction, and then suddenly you're being extra creative because you're trying to figure out how to solve the problem. That's just what it's like to be crafty. All right. Okay. All right, so that is actually what we need there. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to take those little pieces, we're going to make miniature corn on the side over here. All right, here we go. So I'm going to make 2 little tiny corns over here. So I'm going to take my little corn cobs and stick those on. I'm obviously not going to be laying on every single kernel like we were doing before, because wow, that's time consuming. I'm doing like a little V with my glue down at the bottom here, and that's so then that way I can stick on my little swoops to make them look like real corn. Alright, we got these little guys. Oh, my corns are kind of close together, but I think that's going to be okay. Alright, we want to make 2 ears of corn. That's what we're kind of aiming for here. I'm going to take my black pen now, and I'm going to draw little kernels. And draw little kernels, I just kind of do this like little upside down little smiley. Oh, I guess it's like a little smiley face, actually, like a whole bunch of them. That's going to make it kind of look like corn. And then I'm going to just outline those, so then that way it looks not so awkward. And then these are going to be like the little husks. It's kind of like little hearts, which is actually kind of really cute. Okay, so then on this side here, what we're going to do is we are going to glue this down, and it says, I made you this corny card. All right, so you can actually take your scissors and trim this down if you would like. So that way it fits there a little bit nicer. Did not trim that super straight, but maybe you will trim it straighter. Okay, so once you have that, oh, we might as well make both of these even. Hand cut there. All right, so this is going to go up here right in the middle and towards the top. And again, I'm just going to use white glue on the back side of that. I tend to just do like a dot of glue in each of the corners when it comes to gluing cardstock to cardstock. And we're going to go ahead and stick that down. All right, oh my gosh, so cute. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then on the back side, after they have closed their card, I want to put this here, and it says, I hope to hear from you soon. So funny. Oh my gosh, all of my corn jokes. All right, so I'm going to make sure that's cut kind of straight. We trim that down. All right, and then we stick this on the back side there. And there we are. And there we have our corn card, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I know it's pretty corny, but I thought it was pretty fun. I hope you enjoyed, friends. Thanks for joining me for this week's Make and Take. Have a happy day, guys.